Good morning, medical fans. What is a Milium cyst? A Milium cyst is a small white bump that typically appears on the nose and cheeks. These cysts are often found in groups. Multiple cysts are called milia. I'm Watson, and today we're going to take an in-depth look at milia. Before we get started, can you identify this clip? I'll leave the answer in the comments. And we'll give you a hint at the end of the video as well. Milia occur when keratin becomes trapped beneath the surface of the skin. Keratin is a strong protein that's typically found in skin tissues, hair, and nail cells. In adults, many people recommend using a gold facial mask to prevent milia. We'll put a link to our favorite in the description below. Milia can occur in people of all ethnicities or ages. However, they're most common in newborns. We'll put more information in the description so you can learn more about milia, their causes, and what you can do to treat them.
I can feel that now.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you can see all the good stuff. Looking for a great holiday gift idea for mom, dad, or your significant other? Or maybe you just want to treat your skin right? Then check out this pure 24 karat gold facial mask. Known to increase collagen production, reduce wrinkles, and restore the youthful appearance of your skin, one bottle has been known to sell upwards of $100. However, for the holiday season, we're offering a large 120 gram bottle for only $19.99. Don't be suckered into buying a cheap mask. Give the gift of gold. It's fun, original, and great for your skin. Act now, and we'll throw in a second bottle absolutely free. That's 2 bottles of advanced 24 karat gold mask for under 20 bucks. See the Amazon link below. Here's a hint for the clip at the beginning. You could consider it a giant, overgrown, impacted blackhead, but there is a better name for it.